In this video, we will show you how to block and unblock someone on LinkedIn. To block and unblock someone, it's very easy. First, let me show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. For example, we have this person. Just click the profiles. Okay. Then you will see there is more button on these people. And there is report or block. Okay, just click this. After that, you can just click block the person and just click block. Now you successfully block the person. Okay. In here, the question is how if you want to unblock them. Okay. To unblock the people that you just block, just go to your menu. Okay. On the profile picture of your photos, then select settings and privacy. After that, you can choose visibility here. Then you can scroll down, and in here there is blocked member menu. Just click this, and you can see there is two people that we already blocked. Okay, just click unblock and type your password here. Okay, after that you can unblock again and type your password again. Now you unblock the someone successfully. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can block and unblock someone on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.